Ever wondered how to make a healthy chicken enchilada at home? Chicken enchiladas, they're the savory, satisfying, and oh so delicious dish that we've all come to love. A beloved staple in Mexican cuisine, this dish has won hearts across the globe. But what if we told you there's a way to make it even better? Yes, that's right, healthier and just as tempting. A delightful culinary adventure awaits you, with a unique twist that we're about to unfold. Stay tuned to discover the simple steps to create this delicious and nutritious dish. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. Let's start with lean chicken breast, a fantastic source of lean protein that will keep you satisfied while maintaining a low calorie count. Next, we have whole wheat tortillas that are high in fiber and help maintain a healthy digestive system. For a dose of calcium and protein, we include low-fat cheese. Black beans are next on our list, packed with protein and fiber. Corn adds a touch of sweetness and is a good source of vitamins and minerals. Now, let's add some color and crunch with bell peppers, which are high in vitamin C, and onions, providing a good dose of antioxidants. A hint of garlic not only adds flavor, but also boosts heart health. Our enchilada sauce will bring it all together, and spices like cumin and chili powder will elevate the flavors while offering anti-inflammatory benefits. With these ingredients ready, you're set to start cooking your healthy chicken enchilada. Now, delve into the cooking process. Let's start with preparing the chicken. Season it with a pinch of salt and pepper, then bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. While that's cooking, let's multitask and sauté the vegetables. Chop up your bell peppers, onions, and garlic, and toss them into a hot pan with a drizzle of olive oil. Stir them around for about 5 minutes until they're slightly caramelized, but still crisp to retain their nutrients. Next up is the assembly. Lay out your tortillas and evenly distribute the shredded chicken and sautéed vegetables. Roll them up tightly and place them seam side down in a baking dish. Pour your enchilada sauce over the top, sprinkle with cheese, and it's ready to be baked for another 15 minutes. Remember, the key to a healthy meal is not overcooking your ingredients. In less than an hour, your healthy chicken enchiladas are ready to be served and enjoyed. Let's summarize the steps and discuss the health benefits of this dish. We started with lean chicken, a great source of protein. Then we added beans and whole wheat tortillas, both packed with fiber. We also included a variety of vegetables, supplying a wealth of vitamins. So this chicken enchilada isn't just delicious, it's a balanced meal full of nutrients. So, not only have you learned how to make a tasty chicken enchilada, but you've also made it healthier. Now go ahead and impress your friends and family with this recipe.